Hey guys, so this is going to be a really quick video on how to change your profile picture in Scratch. So basically you just simply have to open your account, then click in here, profile, and then just click in here, change. So basically that's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, let me put in a picture right here so that you would really see that I changed my profile picture. All right, so okay, the picture is too big. But anyway, it's this is the way on how you can change your profile picture. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys. I have a lot of more videos coming your way, and hit that notification bell so that you are updated with all the newest uploads that we have here on our channel. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next videos. Peace out.